Another parts video, doing the intake manifold now. I am here actually in front of Elusive Motorsports, just waiting to bring up my stuff. I'm just gonna pay for it, pretty much head out, leave the car here overnight, hopefully get some footage. I think Josh, the owner, said he'll record some of it for me. So I'll put that here in the video, but no. You get the gist. We about to do the intake manifold, time to get some more power. And then I think in the same video, I'm gonna be putting my buddy Pierce's body kit and stuff. If I ever wanted to, what type of paint do you think they would use to line this?
Probably powder coat instead of paint, right?
Éxito.
Obviously.
Obviously, right?
Silly me.
Shit, I might just make it gold in between on all the letters. I'll definitely
Dude,
make those letters gold.
The lining of that instead of gold.
What?
It'll be crazy money probably do it. Do a titanium burn.
Like neo? Oh.
So it matches your strut bar and everything. I'll make it one of one, that's for sure.
And then it did end up coming with the blue spacer, right? That
Yeah.
thermal spacer. Yeah.
Oh, so we learned
What happened?
that comes with the spacer, because you know how Gen 1 doesn't come with the spacer, you buy it, and I told him about that, and he's the one that told me. He's like, oh no dude, I read the description, it comes with spacer. I'm like, oh wait, cool. Doesn't come with injector plugs if you're not doing PI.
Really?
Yeah, so Trevor had to use his set.
Thank you. Gonna bring some food tomorrow?
Hey man, I'll do that.
I'm probably gonna delete after your eval though.
Stinky.
Kind of forced to.
Are you?
Yeah, because it doesn't have the bone for it. Or extra lines or anything to redo it.
Don't worry, none of our cars have you that. My
No, mine's
Supra
complete.
is 440.
Where in the tune do you think I'll adjust for that, just so it can read that it's gone?
Right?
Yeah.
Yeah, so you pretty much go into like your settings.
There's literally an evap setting.
Is there? Okay.
Yeah. I don't know if there's an evap setting, but scroll down to where it says like delete codes or something like that. It's permanently delete your codes. So whatever code you're throwing for like evap, just put it in there and save it.
Okay.
And it should never pop up again.
Yo, just want to give Elusive Motorsports a shout out. This is their Instagram, by the way. Anytime I need help with the Supra, they're right then and there, and I need them. It's good. Big up, boo! Wait, where is the body pieces?
They're rolled up in the back.
Somewhere back there.
Yeah. You want to see? I'll show you real quick.
Here, should I get out? Yep.
Ready for the shit? Oh, dude.
God
So I
damn.
fucking chipped over too.
I almost just ate shit.
Alright, so we have front bumper, back bumper, side skirts.
It smells like I'm killing brain cells right now.
Dude.
That's really strong. Holy shit. My nose actually burns. What the fuck?
Dude, I think it's running worse than like than usual. I think it's running rich, to be honest. Bless you.
Thanks. Oh my god. Oh, this feels like horror movie footage. Look at it. Give me this one. It's just like,
Oh god. Like what is the catacombs one? What's the one in the catacombs? Below?
oh, as above, so below, or something like that.
Oh god.
Yeah. Oh, yeah. I think I'm gonna just tie in your car and my manifold in one video.
Oh fuck yeah. These we can kiss.
Whoa.
Now you look ghetto, bro.
When you don't have heat gun.
Oh no, that actually feels hella good. Okay, I didn't know it was warm. I'm showing the fucking holes in my pants. You see them? Is yours like fucking... How the fuck did it show him getting into the fender liner?
No, that car was wrecked. It had no fender liner. I don't know. If you got enough force in your ass to rip a hole in your jeans, I think you can hold back a fender liner.
Oh, what the human body can do.
Free the intakes.
God damn, she looks retarded. It's like a bitch with a septum piercing, but it's deviated.
It's twisted a little bit.
Yeah, you see how caked this one is? Look.
Oh shit.
That's what that fucking thing took out on the fucking highway. Look at the other one compared to this one.
Yeah, this one's clean. This one's all nice and new.
Fuck, I have to buy another fucking fender liner, dude. Do I really have to buy fender liners though?
We'll see.
Drift car. Yeah, oh god.
Alright, let's try and figure this out. Cool. The grill is a little bit more open, I guess. It just doesn't have those front fins. Those things. Okay, here, we hold it up so I can get on camera what it's gonna look like.
Is this good? Get on there. Get on there.
Yeah, that'll be cool. That'll be clean. So now we just, oh my god, I almost just fucking tripped. Just gotta start drilling there. Are we gonna do this one too and zip tie it?
Yeah, we'll just zip tie it.
What about over here on this side then? Might as well.
Fuck yeah.
Okay, so we'll zip tie those two and then we have the plugs for those. Let's get it.
And then we'll put everything else on.
There you go. So lower side. This is kind of fun for me though. I don't know why.
My bad. I gotta use your fucking POV here. Alright. Did you have to aggressively fuck it like that?
I gotta clean up the hole. Spit on it a little bit.
What the fuck?
Got it. Oh, I got more holes to do.
Oh, dude. It looks lopsided as fuck.
Well, I mean, I've only done like less than half of the holes.
So funny.